Hello students, in this video I will explain next long question answer of chapter wise use of water. So question number 3 is, what are the reason for a scarcity of water? So there are various reasons for a scarcity of water. I will explain it one by one. Number 1 is increase in population. So as population increases, the demand of the people also increases and utilization of water also increases. And due to commercialization and urbanization, the water that seep and is stored in the ground decreases and leading to low water level and a scarcity of water. Next is varying monsoon. So due to various environmental factors, monsoon vary to a great extent. This often creates a situation of a scarcity of water in area where rainfall is less. Due to lack of rainfall, the land dry up and crop fails. This condition is called drought. Next is increasing water pollution. So industries releases a lot of toxic and poisonous chemical which are very harmful for living organism. These chemical waste flow into the river and polluting them, and directly and indirectly it can affect plants or animals or aquatic plants or animals. Next, over exploitation of water resources. So groundwater is limited, and if there is inadequate rainfall, then these water resources will deplete at a faster rate. Overuse and mismanagement of these resources of water will lead to extinction of these sources of water. So all of you have to explain the answers and refer the page number 228 and 229 of the chapter wise use of water. Now question number 4 is, what do you understand by conservation of water? How can it be done? Explain with example. So answer is, water conservation is a practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water uses. It is important that water should be used carefully. Water should be conserved and wastage should be avoided in following ways. Number 1, turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Avoid any wastage of water while watering plant. Take shorter bath and avoid extra wastage of water. Use bucket and mugs instead of using shower. Use the wastewater left after cleaning utensils, washing or mopping in other activities like watering plant. Practice the process of rainwater harvesting to save water or rainwater. Always keep a check on leak in a water pipe and repair them as soon as possible. Next, avoid using a hose pipe to clean your cars. Next, farmers must use drip irrigation to irrigate their field. This will save a lot of water and avoid wastage of water too. So all of you have to note it down, any 5 points from this paragraph. Now next question is, what are the different uses of water? So answer is, water is very important for plant as well as animal. Water helps to regulate the life processes such as digestion of food, excretion of waste material, and transportation of nutrients in the body. Next, water helps to control our body temperature by the process of sweating and evaporation. Next, water used for different purpose at home, agriculture, and for industrial activities.